Hello, class. It is Monday again. We're starting a new week now, April 13th through the 18th. And this week we are focusing on quizzes, tests, surveys, and rubrics. Matrices or matrices. I think I got that wrong. Should be matrices probably is the plural of that. Anyway, we're learning about these things. Textbook chapters 20 and 21 are your readings for this week, and you'll also read some other readings about using rubrics for teaching and learning in your class. So that's good. I think some of the articles will help you to see a practical aim of using these and also to focus on some of the research that has been done for the use of rubrics. Then you'll watch a few presentations on how to create these rubrics, some of the rubrics that you'll be creating this week for the discussion board. And then finally you'll create a rubric, share it on the discussion board, and then talk about why you might use a rubric creation tool such as Rubistar, and why you might not use that tool in the future. So that's the focus of this week. Also, you want to look ahead a little bit. We have, let's see, next week I believe is when the e-portfolio assignment is due. And that e-portfolio assignment is talking about a new way to look at how students learn over time. And you can assign students to create a portfolio of their work as a way to grade them. So it's an alternative assessment method. And so we're kind of focusing again the next few weeks on assessment, and rubrics being the first part of that, and then of course the e-portfolio as the next part of that way of assessment. So anyway, with the focus on those kinds of things, with rubrics, with assessments, there are different types of assessments. Of course, there are project-based and more performance-based assessments, and then there are also the more traditional testing tools such as multiple choice tests and so forth. But what we're focusing more on a little bit in this class, I think, is the more performance-based, the first thing that I mentioned, and the more authentic types of assessment that are out there. So have a great week. Hopefully you're enjoying a little bit warmer weather,